Welcome to Love Garden Care, where every green leaf and every Anthurium bloom is cared for with love and simple natural methods. Today, I want to share an easy but highly effective tip that helps Anthurium stay healthy, with glossy green leaves and long-lasting blooms all year round. This method is completely natural, chemical-free, safe for your plants, and perfect even for beginners. If you love flowers and enjoy simple yet effective plant care, stay until the end of the video to discover a small miracle from nature. Before starting the care process, I check the condition of the Anthurium. Looking closely, I notice many dry and yellow leaves, some blooms that have already faded, and the foliage growing too crowded. So I use clean scissors to remove damaged leaves and unhealthy parts. Pruning improves airflow and helps the plant focus nutrients on healthy growth. This step also reduces the risk of mold and pests, especially in humid conditions. It's a small but important step before continuing with the next care steps. Which country are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Love Garden Care for more simple and effective plant care tips. The first ingredient I use to care for my Anthurium today is garlic, a familiar kitchen ingredient that offers many benefits for plants. 1. Choose 3 fresh garlic cloves and keep the thin outer skin, as it contains valuable natural nutrients. Next, I cut the garlic into small pieces to help release its natural oils and active compounds. Once prepared, I place all the chopped garlic into a clean glass jar, ready for the next step. The second ingredient I use is turmeric. I add 1 tablespoon of turmeric into the glass jar containing the garlic, providing natural antibacterial support and preparing for the next care steps. Next, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the glass jar. Hot water helps activate the natural compounds in the garlic and turmeric, allowing nutrients to dissolve quickly. Then, I stir the solution thoroughly so the garlic and turmeric dissolve completely, allowing the active compounds to spread evenly throughout the water. Finally, I close the lid and let the mixture soak for about 1 hour, so the garlic and turmeric compounds infuse into the solution. After soaking the garlic and turmeric mixture for about 1 hour, I stir the solution thoroughly so the nutrients and active compounds fully dissolve. Next, I strain out all the solids and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This step helps prevent root clogging and reduces the risk of mold in the growing environment. As a result, the solution becomes cleaner, easier to use, and safer for plants. Then, I add about 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute the garlic and turmeric solution. Diluting the solution makes it gentler and prevents plant shock when watering or spraying the leaves. This method is especially suitable for ornamental plants like Anthurium. With this diluted garlic and turmeric solution, we have a completely natural, easy-to-absorb nutrient mix that supports healthy plant growth. In the first step, I use a clean cotton pad, soaked in the garlic and turmeric solution. Then, I gently wipe all the surfaces of the Anthurium leaves. This step is very important because it allows the leaves to absorb natural nutrients directly from the solution. Wiping the leaves also helps remove dust, mold, and bacteria from the leaf surface. As a result, the plant breathes better and photosynthesis becomes more effective. Curcumin in turmeric and allicin in garlic are powerful natural antibiotics that help prevent leaf spot, rot, and other diseases. With regular wiping, Anthurium leaves become glossier, thicker, and healthier. The garlic and turmeric solution also improves sap flow, helping weak Anthurium plants recover faster. With this simple action, you don't just make the leaves look better. You also provide natural energy that helps the plant stay healthy and bloom beautifully all year round. In the second step, I pour the garlic and turmeric solution into a spray bottle. Then, I gently and evenly mist the entire Anthurium plant, including the stems, leaves, and the surface of the growing medium. Even spraying allows the solution to reach key parts of the plant, helping nutrients be absorbed more quickly and effectively. This is an important nourishing step, as the plant can absorb nutrients through both leaves and roots, supporting more stable growth. Natural compounds in garlic and turmeric help limit fungi, bacteria, and pests, while protecting Anthuriums from common issues such as leaf and root rot. With regular use, this solution helps the plant become noticeably healthier, with glossier leaves and sustained vitality for long-term growth. In the third step, I slowly pour the garlic and turmeric solution evenly over the Anthurium growing medium. This is a deep nourishing step that allows the solution to reach the roots, the part of the plant that absorbs nutrients most efficiently. Nutrients from garlic and turmeric help the roots grow faster, stronger, and spread more widely, creating a solid foundation for stable plant growth. When applied directly to the growing medium, the solution also improves substrate health, reduces harmful bacteria, and maintains ideal moisture levels for better nutrient absorption. Curcumin in turmeric and allicin in garlic act as natural disinfectants, protecting roots from mold, rot, and harmful pathogens. With a healthy root system, Anthuriums produce new shoots faster, grow greener leaves, and bloom more vibrantly. After evenly watering the growing medium with the garlic and turmeric solution, I let the plant soak for about 10 minutes, so the roots can fully absorb the nutrients. After soaking the entire growing medium in the garlic and turmeric solution for about 10 minutes, I gently remove the plant to prepare for the final care step. In step 4, I use a soft cloth to gently wipe all the Anthurium leaves. This is the final step, but it is very important, as it keeps the leaves clean, glossy, and better at absorbing light. Wiping the leaves removes dust and leftover solution from the leaf surface, allowing better airflow and more efficient photosynthesis. This step also helps dry the leaves after spring, reducing excess moisture and lowering the risk of fungal growth and pest invasion. While wiping the leaves, you can feel the plant's vitality and the calm connection that nature offers. With simple natural ingredients like garlic and turmeric, we've created an effective Anthurium care method that helps plants grow strong, lush, and bloom beautifully all year round. I hope today's video has given you some helpful tips and a bit of inspiration from nature. If you love plants and want to explore more natural care methods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the love for flowers and greenery. See you in the next videos on Love Garden Care, where we grow happiness one leaf at a time.